Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to another scrapbooking process video. If you hang out until after the video is through, there are always detailed shots of my current layout. Let's get going! Hey everyone, I am back with another pre-taped introduction for a layout I made at the crop I went to back at the end of March. This particular layout is made with my Secret Not Secret kit that I purchased right before I went to my crop. It is filled with lovely, lovely stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. Hey everyone, so welcome to this bonus episode of a Lift and Sketch with Christy and Rachel. Today, as you can see, we are working with this wonderful sketch. This was designed specifically for this particular episode. As both Christy and I have mentioned in our past two lifts and sketches, we are doing a special bonus one for this particular one, and we are going to be offering a prize. So as you can see, I am using my Secret Not Secret kit that I got just a little bit ago, and right now what I'm doing is I'm just playing with the Vicki Boutin stencil and the Vicki Boutin rose gold glaze that I got in my kit. I was just playing around with this, just testing it out and seeing what it was going to look like dry. I am going to end up using it in this particular layout, but I'm just leaving this in. I didn't specifically know what I was going to do with it at this point. So I'm just like laying it out on a piece of cardstock. So I will put all of the information for the contest in the description box below, but basically all you have to do is do your take on this particular sketch and post it either on Instagram or in one of the main Facebook groups that Christy and I belong to, and I will put all of that information in the description box. And you have until April 28th, 2018 to do this, and you could have a chance to win one of two prizes. Both Christy and I will each be offering a $15 mini kit provided from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. So Christine will be putting together a curated kit for two different people, and all you have to do, as I said, is do a layout based on the sketch and then post it by April 28th, 2018, and tag either Christy or myself or both of us in your post. So Instagram, you can post either of us, and I'll put links to both of our Instagram handles, and then also on the Victoria Marie Facebook group, the Nicole 911 Facebook group, Secrets of a Superhero, Scrapaholics Anonymous. I also belong to the 27, the Mercer Tiara group, and then I also belong to the Crafty Bunker of Ignorance, and then I will put, and I believe Christy belongs to several of those as well, and I'm sure she'll share with you on her layout the Facebook groups she belongs to that might be different from what I belong to. Oh, also the Secret Not Secret Facebook group, if you remember there, you can do that one as well. All right, so I'm hoping all of you participate in that. It's giving you 28 days or 29 days, something along those lines. So hopefully that is long enough to be able to do the sketch for yourself. All right, so as you can see, now when I went ahead and was doing this, I hadn't planned necessarily on using it on this layout. When I saw it, I thought, oh, you know what, actually this would work out really well for that base angular piece. I did end up having to use my ruler because the angle was too great to use my Caterpillar, and I'm going to be using this other piece of paper that came in my kit, and this is page 19 from the Paige Evans latest release, which I cannot remember what it's called off the top of my head, so I apologize for that. It is the paper filled with frames, and as I cut that piece off, on the sketch on the left-hand side that has lines on it for journaling, I thought it would be super cute to do my journaling in one of those frame boxes. So that is what I'm going to do. So here you see I have my basic paper layout going on right now. I trimmed off a little piece of the rose gold paper, and I'm going to use that on the top, and then I used the B side of that frame paper, which is all those pink stripes, And that is what I'm going to use as the angle piece that goes over the top. Whenever I cut an angle piece like that, if it's smaller than my roll of ATG, I just use my liquid glue instead. Now I've got that pretty much good to go. And now I am just going to go ahead and get down my main pieces of paper. I'm going to run out of ATG in just a second and replace that. So I will cut away from that. And I am going to apologize. I am at a crop, and because normally my tripod sits in front of my table, but while I'm at the crop, it's sitting on my table. I forgot that when I put things down on my table, I have to be careful, otherwise it shakes. So I don't realize that the entire weekend I'm there until I started watching back these videos. So you're going to see for the next month or so when I'm doing my videos that every time I put my ATG down, it gives a little shake to the table. Unfortunately, I can't go back and fix that now, but it only happens like for a second or two. All right, I have these two 4x6 photos. Now in the original sketch, I believe they were 3x4 size. But I had these 4x6 photos of my little puppy dog, so I wanted to use them because she's so sweet. And I am adding a doily behind the top of that just because I can. I like doilies. That did not come in my kit, but I was super happy to use it anyways. Now I'm starting off my embellishment clusters with these 3 epoxy hearts, and these are from the Pink Fresh Studio Let Your Heart Decide line, as are these puffy stickers that I'm also adding. I take a gander at the ephemera pack that came in my kit, but I was like, no, I don't think so. I am going to pull out those navy glitter thickers, and those come from the Chamel box of crayons, but I have an idea of what I want my title to be, but I'm not 100%, so I decide to grab back some more puffy stickers. And now I'm moving back to the Chamel thickers because I have decided finally to go ahead and use the word hello. So I'm just going to pull out my T-square ruler because this word hello is on the wonky side. I want to make sure I line it up. And then I'm also going to pull out this little mini alpha. These are also from Pink Fresh Studio, but they are from the Mix Volume 2 collection. It's their collection of basics that they release every once in a while. And then I'm going to surround my title with some more of the puffy sticker hearts. This is a pretty simple layout. I'm using a lot of pattern. I'm using a lot of different textures. So I decided to keep it pretty simple elsewise. As I said before at the beginning, I decided to do my journaling in one of the frames, and I'm going to finish off this layout with some Heidi Swapp Color Shine in navy. So that is going to be it for me today. Thanks so much for joining me. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome. Don't forget to go on over to Christy's channel, check out her layout, and please make sure you see the description box for all the information regarding on how to enter the contest so you can win a $15 mini kit from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day. Here's the sketch again, and then I'm going to flip back to my take on it. All right, everyone. Bye!